Hey guys, so this is a quick showcase of my chess piece key and fuse model pack. Which includes the selection of the array of chess pieces that you'd expect from a normal chess set, but it also has the addition of a fuse and a key asset, which are actually all separate in different styles. So this was created for my chess puzzle fuse system, which comes with a fuse which could fit into something, but I've added a key element to this so you could use it as themed keys for your game, or something as a fuse or a collectible, something like that, or even objects that you could use within the game world because they're pretty detailed assets. So they come with 3 different variations: a set that is brass, a set that is plastic, and then a set which is ivory. And like I said, then 2 sets of variations on the key, with one with a rusted silver and one with a rusted metal or brass. And they all come prefabbed and ready to go with different sets with the separate keys, so you can use these as you see fit, and you can be able to remove or attach different elements as you want. So like I said, it comes with the PBR materials up to 2K resolution, so be sure to check out all my other great assets on the Unity store. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Cheers.